In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete Bank of America transactions. Now, we cannot directly delete it through the application, but there are a couple things that we can do in order to sort of delete them. So number one, we can go ahead and hide transactions. So this is an option that you guys have. So what you need to do is you need to go ahead and select on your bank account. Then you need to go ahead and find your transactions and then select on the transaction that you want to go ahead and quote unquote delete. And basically you can go ahead and rename it to whatever you want. So if you want to go ahead and rename a transaction to groceries or something like that, then that is definitely something that you guys could do. But if you guys want to completely wipe out your transaction history and you don't want it anywhere, then the only way that you could actually do that is by deleting your Bank of America account entirely. Now, before you do this, you need to go ahead and take out all of the money and your assets out of your account. You want to make sure that it is completely empty. Now, we need to actually contact customer support in order to delete our account. So Bank of America doesn't have a button that you could just press in order to delete your account or anything like that. You actually need to call them. You guys need to go ahead and actually call them and explain to them your situation, and basically they will allow you to close your account. So here is their phone number if you guys want to go ahead and get access to it. So yeah, those are really like the only two ways that we can do to sort of like delete our transaction history. So obviously it's not an easy process, and I really don't recommend doing this until it is something that you urgently need to do. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.